Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, January 11th. I'm Jim Weatherup, Chairman of the Oswego County Legislature. COVID-19 cases continue to surge in our county. We reported 2,157 new cases for the week of January 3rd through January 9th. Yesterday, our public health director told us that about 39 new hospitalizations with a growing trend toward younger age groups being hospitalized. Sadly, we also reported 3 new COVID-19 related deaths in the last week. Nearly 2 years into this pandemic, and it continues to be troubling to report losing our neighbors this way. Our condolences go out to the families and friends of these people. Our COVID-19 hotline is receiving many questions about the duration of quarantine and isolation periods. There's been a significant change, and Oswego County has now adopted the state's recommendation of 5-day quarantines in most cases. If you test positive for COVID-19, you need to isolate for 5 full days from the day of your test or from the day your symptoms began. You must continue to wear a well-fitting mask for an additional 5 days. The guidance also applies to those who have been exposed to the virus. If you are not fully vaccinated and are eligible for, but have not received your booster dose, you are required to quarantine for 5 full days, followed by an additional 5 days of wearing a face mask. The recent rise in cases has also led to a delay in contact tracing. If you have tested positive for the virus or have been in close contact with someone who has, and you haven't been contacted by an investigator yet, you can go to the health department's website to download and print the appropriate isolation and quarantine paperwork. For more information, go to the County Health Department's COVID-19 website and click on the Isolation and Quarantine link. As a reminder, Oswego County continues to provide residents with free transportation for both COVID-19 testing and vaccinations. We have partnered with Oswego County Opportunities to provide this service. Please do not call 911 or other emergency services for transportation for COVID-19 testing and vaccination sites. Instead, call 315-598-1514 to schedule rides in advance. Transportation is available between 6 a.m. and 7 p.m. Monday through Friday. In other Oswego County news, I'd like to welcome 5 new members to the legislature. Last week, we swore in James Scanlon, representing District 16, Noel Beckwith-Samonson, representing District 21, Michael Soloway, representing District 23, Frank Castilla, representing District 25, and Frank Bombardo, representing District 7. We look forward to working with these new legislators in this new term. Finally, it appears that winter has come to Oswego County at last. With a recent accumulation of snow and colder temperatures to make sure it doesn't melt away, now is the time to get out and enjoy the great outdoors our county is so well known for. Get your sleds ready because several, but not all, of our local snowmobile trails are now open. Our county tourism office suggests you call one of our many snowmobile clubs before you head out to the trails. These clubs are dedicated to promoting fun and safe sledding adventures. Volunteers help maintain the trails and plan events and activities around them. This week, tourism tip of the week is to go to visitoswegocounty.com/snowmobiling for details. Click on Oswego County Snowmobile Association contact info for contact information for local clubs. Stay safe and healthy, and thank you for doing your part to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. If you haven't been vaccinated and wish to do so, now is the time. Call the COVID-19 hotline at 315-349-3330 or call your medical provider for more information.